Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Wintrust Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wintrustmortgage.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wintrust Mortgage website. Now from the homepage, click on Make a Payment at the top section and then choose Wintrust Online Mortgage Pay. You can then click on Submit button and now you will be taken into the login portal. Just enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Wintrust Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password as well as the user ID option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Wintrust Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.